Hi students, today is the Python for data science. Today we will discuss the week 3. In the week 3, first is the non-guaranteed. We are in the non-guaranteed. The first question, which of the following can be inferred from scatter plot of MPG and WT, weight of cars. If you check this, if you click here, okay, here, if you click, then you will get the answer. So the correct answer is the first one. You can click this one. Already they have mentioned for the scattering plot, okay, best fit line, the weight of MPG are inversely. So the weight increase means if the weight will increase, then MPG will decrease. This is the first question. Second question, plot of a box, plot of price vs cut. If you click this diamond, okay, or I will suggest you one thing. So the premium cut, if you will check, the premium cut has the highest range between the first and third quartile. Bigger diamond mostly have fair cuts. If you will check, uh, if you will check in Kaggle, Kaggle, kaggle.com, okay, space code, here they have the data is already there. So in the premium, the total average cost of the diamond is 4584.257704. Okay, so the answer will be this one. So again, the third question in CHURN.CSV data frames, what is the total number of missing value of total charges? If you will click here, you can count. Also, you can also write one code. So the total answer will be 15. Total or missing value will be 15. So in the missing, they have written NB. Now the fourth one, the command used for the line plot for the from the package matplotlib. Okay, if you will if you will check to create line plot, okay, we use plt.show. Okay, if you will already we have discussed in the matplotlib. Okay, plt.plot. Okay, you can also write plt.show. So the answer will be this one. Now the probability of the two different event occurring at the same time is known as, this is the answer will be the term joint probability. Already we discussed in the 12th class, refers to the statistical measures that calculate the likelihood of two events occurring together at the same time. Okay, so the answer will be this one. I will submit the answer. Okay, so now you can see our all answers are correct. Okay, now we will discuss, this is the second one. This is very important. Week 3. In the week 3, the first question he is asking about, so what he is asking, what is the following is the correct approach of the fill missing value to create value in case of the categorical value variables. So if you know, whenever the missing value is from categorical columns such as strings or numerical, then the missing values can be replaced with the most frequent category. Whenever there is a frequency something, so the answer will be mode. Okay, now the second one, this is a very common. They have given one database. In the database, one first is serial number, second is car number, third is type, fourth is brand, and last one is the price. So he is asking the first question of the following set of statement, which of the following can be used to extract the column type as a separate data frames. So the data frames has the data types, d types of each column. To extract only the columns with specific d types, use the select d types method in pandas data frame. Okay, so the answer will be this and this. Now the third question, the method of df cars dot describe will be given description of which of the following columns. He is asking. So in the pandas, if you will go in the describe methods, written descriptions of the data in data frames. If the data frames contains numerical data, the description contains these informations. So what will be the answer? He is asking it will be the written will be the numerical data. So if you'll go here, you can see the numerical data only here. Okay, so numerical data only here, so we will say that will be the correct answer. Now which pandas function is used to stack the data frames vertically? Okay, so you can see everyone is okay, which pandas function is used to stack the data frames vertically? Okay, he is asking this question. Sorry, because of the this some music disturbance, the answer will not this. Answer will be this. Why? Because in the pandas library allows two series of the stacked and vertical and horizontal using the built-in command called concat. This action is usually performed to create a data frames from two series. Okay, so the answer will be this one. Which of the following are the libraries in pandas? Okay, answer will be this. You already know. We already discussed about the pandas. Okay, pandas, matplot, and numpy. Already we discussed. Now here is the question is read. If you click this one, flavors of coca.csv. Okay, there is a one file, and in this file total number of columns are rows are 1796. Okay, so there is a data. In that data he has given us the variable id, company, bean of bean origin, review data, coca percent, company locations, rating, and after then there is serial number, name of the manufacturing company, place of the origin, year of which coca colas were rated, percentage of the coca in chocolates, location in manufacturing, and rating in the chocolates. So the first question he is asking, which of the following variable have null values? Already you know that whenever you will create this database, so the company, when the company will manufacture something, so he will give you all the data, but for the review purpose the user will input the data, so definitely it will be null. Okay, now which of the following countries have maximum locations to create the manufacturing company? If you'll check in this data, you will write one command. Here I will not explain the command. You will click this one. If you click, so after then you can count also. Okay, by the help of your command, total number of USA is, the data is scattered. If you will check the Canada, that is not scattered, the data is arranged in one pattern, but USA is scattered. Okay, but the data is maximum. Okay, now after checking the data summary, which features requires the data conversions, considering the data values held, is asking. So here also the answer will be also same, data review. Okay, now what is the maximum rating of the chocolate? If we'll see the Italy, only the Italy, most of the people they have given the average, the rating is 3.25. If we'll click here, if you'll click this data, okay, if you'll click here, then you will get the answer. Okay, so maximum is Italy has given 5.0 rating. Okay, what will be the output of the following codes? So this is very simple. Import numpy as np, b is equal to true, that is boolean, 2 integer, 3.0 float, np.9, you can also check this is also float, and this is false means this is string. So the first one is answer. Submit. Very simple. Okay, very simple. We submit the assignment. So our request to everyone that please submit the assignment and also send to your friends. Thank you so much.